watch in effect from Sunday morning through late Sunday night. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flood watch for portions of northern Delaware, New Jersey, and southeast Pennsylvania, including the following areas in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset. From Sunday morning through late Sunday night, heavy rain is expected to fall across the region Sunday into Sunday evening. Event rainfall totals of 2 to 3.5 inches are expected, with the highest amounts across portions of northern New Jersey. Even though we have had dry weather lately, this much rain could result in flooding of quick responding streams and small rivers, such as those in northern Delaware and southeast Pennsylvania. In addition, urban flooding is possible. At this time, Mainstem River flooding is not expected. However, if more than 3.5 inches of rain falls in the Passaic Basin, Mainstem River flooding becomes possible. A flood watch means there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop.
The coastal water.
That was lucky. Now let's just turn off my scanner.
Sunday night. For rest start today. Southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Becoming south 10 to 15 knots late. Sea is 2 to 4 feet. For tonight. South winds around 15 knots. Becoming west after midnight. Sea. Visibility 1 to